Bruce Williams, Train on Time. This is one of our hand car sets. These are Ottaway U-Compass from the 50s. I found these in Memphis, Tennessee about 17 years ago. Put them in my backyard for my kids to play on, and pretty soon it turned into a hobby, got out of control. My other set is a set of Hodges hand cars that you pedal with your hands, and they're from the 40s. We take the two different sets to different festivals, events, usually train related, indoor or outdoor, and then bigger festivals. Hi, I'm Bruce Williams with Train on Time, and these are one of our sets of hand cars. These cars are from the 1950s. Ottaway, a man who made live steam trains for parks and museums and zoos, partnered up with Harold Chance. And Harold Chance went on to be Chance Amusements, and then eventually Chance Morgan. And Chance Morgan's making multi-million-dollar thrill rides. But back in the 50s, Chance was having some challenges, and this ride helped save his company. Like an old Switch designer. Yeah. Yeah, I had a